Hello, Amal Raj. I'm
Yeah,
good. How
hi,
are
how are
you?
you, sir? Yes, I'm fine, I'm
I'm
fine.
good. I'm good, Amal Raj. How are you? Talking about
Yeah,
mind, you've been working with the hypnosis expert, Mr. Pillai.
yes, sir.
Uh, how
Yes, yes, yes.
how how interesting are these sessions, and how does he help you to keep your mind positive at all times?
Sir, first thing means if I want to say, means from heart, if I have
Mm-hmm.
to say true, because of him,
Mm.
I could reach at this level. Because before 10
Very
years or
nice.
12 years, if you met me,
Mm-hmm.
if you had met me,
Mm-hmm.
you will see very different person. I get angry very
Correct.
fast, and I get
Right. Mm.
irritated, and so much
Mm.
of up and
Mm.
downs, so much of up and
Mm.
downs. It's not only about sport. It's not only
Right.
about sport. It's like, your personal life also. How you
Correct.
how you brought up, and all, no, many
Mm.
things. And
Mm.
in
Mm.
2000, 2009, I met him once, and then I
Mm.
didn't take that very seriously, and that time I
Okay.
won Commonwealth medal in Delhi, in Delhi.
Right.
That time I
Right.
was at my peak, I was playing very good in
Mm-hmm.
India,
Mm-hmm.
so it was like this.
Right.
But in 5-6 months, I lost my form and also many things. I went to Europe that
Correct.
time, Slovakia, for the first time in 2010. And then, because before that we just go for tournament, Pro Tours, just go for 2-3 days with Indian team. You play match and you have people to speak, support everything, and finish. You come back home. It was normal.
Right.
But this when I went to play House Sharat, and other players were playing, in abroad, staying for 6-7 months, training there. So it was my first time, and I went there. No people doesn't know any language. People means what, so different from this East Europe. And then 5-6 months means I was very bad mentally. And then suddenly,
Right.
suddenly, this is what, this time, you can say, in life we
Correct.
say that time, at that time. And again I met him in one function, felicitation
Okay.
function,
Okay.
in 2010. He just gave me card. If you want, you come and meet me. And then
Nice.
I went to him, and then he told, you believe me, you trust, just you trust once, everything will get changed. And then okay, I thought, see, at this time I'm in like worst position, like table tennis, and mentally everything was almost like destroyed. Then I told, means what to lose, nothing, there is nothing to lose. So I went to him. And this hypnotherapy, it's not like normal psychology. Psychology, even for example, if you meet me, if I having some problem, you will tell me, yeah, Amal, okay, do this. This is normal psychology. We all know one basic psychology. Yeah.
Right.
If someone is sad, we will go to him or her, console. Okay, things will get better. He will things will maybe at that time things will go inside the mind, and they will get better, and they will get normal. But something is there very deep inside our heart, subconscious mind, what you call subconscious. In subconscious mind, you cannot work normally. You cannot work just by your words. It will not work with your words. Oh, okay. This like this. Maybe when we were born, our situation, our surroundings must have been something different, something different. But that time we were young. We never know. If you imagine, if you go back to childhood, when you were 2 years old, 3 years old, so many things, went into our mind, because it's like what we put, it's growing inside. It's like plant or tree. You put seed, you water, and it grows. It's same like this. Our mind, our everything is like this, So it's like this. So many things I were struggling, but I don't know. We don't know this, because many times we don't know what's our problem, So there are something which is hiding inside us. So slowly he went. It's like hypnotherapy is like this. Like 10 years back, 20 years back, means when I was 3 years old. What made me anger, and which is continuing in my life? What made me frustrated? There must be many situations with your friends or with your parents. Maybe your parents might be very strict, and that time you don't know, you because of that fear grows, and it's like this. And after one time, no, it gets very strong. No, it's like tree. Once this fruit comes, and it's very strong. No, it coming same like this. That thought once is developed, maybe it's negative or positive. See, positive is good. Every human have some positive things, some negative things. No, so both grows. So so that's why one side we are good, one side we are bad. No, so this bad thing, how you can improve? So like I was means immediately I lose my control, I get angry, and suddenly, you know, I used to be 3-0 up, I lose the match 4-3. What is the reason? How is possible? That time in 2007 and all, 2007 and all, to win one game with Sharath is big achievement for any player in India. He was like a huge difference, and I bet him 2-3 times, you know. So it means okay, that is my level. That is my level. And next day I will lose in first round to an unknown player. What is that? So much of fluctuation in my mind, you know. So much of suddenly just within 5 hours something very different. So I felt, but you know, but some good things also is there in me. No, I keep fighting. I work hard. This is my positives. So he worked with me like nearly 6 months. And but you need so much of patience to work with him, and so deep. You know, we will think, what is that 20 years back? Why should I go? I am good now. Things will get better, but it's not like
why to revisit the past?
Okay, thinking positive is good. I will get better. Okay, this is good. But what about those habit or your thoughts, the way of thinking, which is very deep inside, which is very strong? Means what? That comes when your mind is blank, you know, that thought. For example, 3-all 10-all. That time the mind, the mental state will be very different, you know. That mental state is very different, and that time means things will not happen how you want. Things will happen how things will automatically come. You know, you must understand the difference. In 0-0 first game, how? Because mind is very normal, very calm, and it's in your control. And what about the mind when it's not in your control? Then the mind will play.
Or something.
You cannot play. The mind will play. The mind will play how you are trained, the deep inside. So many things he worked. And you can see in 2011, I won all the tournaments in India. Till that, I have never won, not even one zone. I have never won a zone or nationals. Every time I lose. And that winning, and that year I become national champion, no? Because Sharath was dominating for almost 8 years.
2012, you bet Sharath.
8 years. So it's like, you know, it's very different thing, but people don't understand this. We people generally, we everyone in the world, we never thought of giving time to our mind. We never, if we are in very big situation, problem, that time only we think, okay, cool, calm down. Otherwise, again, the same thing continues. But it's not like this. It's like every minute, every second, every hour. You see, from 2011 to 2020, my journey. No, means if you say I am in India, I have the zero talent. I'm the one player. Means I will say from my mouth only. I will never say I'm very talented, this, that, at all. If you say the truth, no, it's like this, zero talent.
The results are there.
But how I made? How I made means I know. I knew before only. Before 12 years only, I knew. I'm not talented. Everything I have to work on mental part, physical part, technical part. Every time I have to work. So still, even my sessions completed like in 1 year. But still, I continue. It's almost 10 years.
You still continue? No? Okay, that's nice.
I still continue because if I become national champion, what next? Again, some international tournament. No, so again I have to be prepared. No, so that very small because in table tennis you have a very less time. No, because see, every week we have tournament. Every week here national, there international. You have to keep your mind prepared. So it's like this.
Right. Now, how do you rate your journey? 2017, you were the top player in India, and then you also won the Arjuna Award that year. So from 2017 and then 2018, there was a Commonwealth team gold. And in 2019, the World Championship gold, and then the bronze in the Australian Open. And then now we've just entered 2020. So how do you rate these last 3-4 years of your progress? Has it been the best for you?
Sir, in 2015, 16 and all, mostly I was focusing on national level only, no. But what this, if you say, because I cannot lie at this time, because so many people are watching, So all this means it came from the team. No, most of the medals came from the team, and most of the matches like Sharat Satyan only played. No, okay, but I was part of the team. But I felt inside myself, it's okay. I cannot be satisfied with that, because I have to win. No, I have to win for India. It's not only getting that medal or that it doesn't. Oh, okay, it's important for the country. Okay, but afterwards I have to also prove myself. No, so from 2018 I started focusing more on international level. So means I started leaving. I was practicing in Portugal, Porto and all, and then means I was working hard really. So last 2 years, and from 2018 I started playing better at international level. And then many matches I won. Last year in 2019 yearly, I won like 14 top 100 players. Like in every Pro Tour, 2 top 100 players I used to win, and 3-4 top 50 players, and then last this Qatar Open also I qualified. Yeah, so before till 2015 I was winning all the matches in India. If you see like national games, national SAF game, anything. Now also I won SAF game, and so it's like this. So now I'm getting better at international level.
Now talk about exposure of foreign coaches in Indian table tennis. How has that exposure been for you personally?
So foreign coach is really very important, because they have been in that same at that level now, because they are from Europe and they keep how they practice, how they practice their level, their level of practice and their standard, always it's better. They are very professional, so every time 100% they are in this field, at this level, same level, like international level, same international level. They never focus at national level and all. They always go to Pro Tours, and it's like this, So when they come to India, they can give lot of knowledge to us, how other players in Europe they practice and all, and what they are doing at present. And in Pro Tours and all, for example, many European coaches know the other foreign players, for example, because they have been with them. So when we have match, before only they can give us all the inputs, like this player is like this, that player is like this. Because for us, many players used to be new, for us is new. Many players we don't know. Like on many players, some players whom we don't know, like they used to tell us, and even in India, that professionalism comes. Before for example, before 10 years and all in India table tennis was not that professional. Okay, like top players used to be professional. Okay, they used to follow their routine and their practice schedule. They have coach, like only 3 or 4 players. But when they came to India, they taught us what is the professionalism. Like what is how we have to be professional in table tennis, like all these leagues and all train. Okay, every day morning fitness and training, and then gym and all. They whenever they come, they used to give lot of knowledge to us. So again when we go to Europe, again we train in that at that atmosphere only, at that atmosphere. So it's very much helpful when the European coaches come, because you must know, because from here, from India we go to play Pro Tours, almost most of the tournaments are in Europe only, So we need to know
Right.
that conditions, and we need to know those players. We need to know how they are working, how those
Right.
players are working. So now we are
Right.
getting better with the European players. For example, if you see any pro
Right.
tour, two or three Indians, they'll always perform better. At least
Correct.
in
Correct.
every
They're
pro
always
tour.
making a mark.
You see, yeah.
True.
So if you see
True.
that graph, see all this small thing works like this. We have been calling foreign coaches from last 10 years. 10, 12 years.
Right.
So all this slowly, okay, for 2 years one coach come from Sweden, for 3 years coach comes from from Italy, like Massimo and all was there.
Massimo. Yep.
So much of knowledge we have gained from them.
I really appreciate your time, taking out this time and talking to me. So all the
Thank
very
you very
best,
much,
and
sir.
let's hope that we tide across this COVID-19 very soon and get back to normalcy as
Yes,
soon as
sir.
possible. I'm looking
Yes,
forward
sir. We feel the
to
same.
seeing you, Cecil, on the big stage. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.